Good morning, challengers. Okay, today is Sunday. So, what do we do on Sundays? We prep for success. So, I want you to try to prep some meals for the day. Not just today, do the prepping today for the week. Sorry, clearly I just woke up. Um, and I want you to post some pictures of what you prep. And then also, I'm going to challenge you to a second challenge. If you have time and if you feel up to it, obviously do one of your workouts that is on the schedule. But I'm challenging you to do a double day. And I'm challenging you to do this because I want to push myself to do a double day today too. And I need some extra accountability. So, prep your meals, post pictures for the day, prep for success and get in a couple of those workouts. I don't know if any of you saw my newsfeed yesterday, buy a new dress for a wedding. I would like to look extra hot in it, so I need a little extra push from you guys, a little motivation to get in 2 workouts today. Okay? You up for the challenge?